Okay, so hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce a very nice water purifier machine, which is very convenient for the office, for the home. So look here, this is Cobectal, so reverse osmosis water filter system. So let's try to open and see what do we have here. Let's see. First of all, we can see. All right, here we go. After unboxing, we found the instruction manual here, the range of the filter. So a filter cartridge, a deep tray, and the machine. So, all right. So now let's try to unpack, remove this packaging from the filter first. Let's see. All right, this is the filter, and we can also remove from okay, this packaging our drip tray. Okay, it's very easy to use, very nice to use. So what we can do it now. All right, so let's see how it works. So first we need to remove the cover, and then we will put the cartridge inside. Okay, let me try if I will be successful or not. Okay, now we need a wrench to move and to fix it inside. Let's see how it will go. Okay, I did it. I can't believe I did it. It's very easy. Now we will just close the cover and that's it. So this is our very interesting part of this machine. It's a drip tray and it's magnetic. Look. Yes, done. It's very easy and very comfortable and very easy to use. You can put it anywhere you want, in the office, in your kitchen, in your living room, in your study room, everywhere. Very easy, very comfortable.